Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you'll see me do lots of different things. It's gonna be one of those get it all done videos. Right here, I'm changing my sheets once a week. I strip all the sheets off all the beds and wash them. I have 2 sets of sheets for every bed. That way I can take the old ones off and put the new ones on right away. I used to have to wait until I washed and dried the sheets, but and then sometimes I would have too many sets of sheets and the linen closet was always so messy. But now 2 sets of sheets per bed is what I love to have. And now I'm just putting the pillowcases on the pillows. I was just noticing I could add a little pop of color in this room. Like I mentioned in previous videos, we moved into this house about 6 months ago. And so the decorating, I've done some, I haven't done a lot, but this is one room I for sure would want to add a little more to. Now I'm just cleaning up the floor. I've got some dirty laundry on the floor I just put in the basket, and now I'm vacuuming the floor. I absolutely love this vacuum. It's the Dyson V8 Plus Animal, and it's just, I love it. I love it so much. There's no cord. It's cordless, and the suction is amazing. I have a link in the description of this video for a vacuum just like this. It's just a different color. I purchased mine at Costco, and the one in my link is for Amazon. You can see these bins by my bed. It's full of accessories that we use for our other YouTube channel. I've mentioned that YouTube channel. It's called Baby Alive channel. We also go by Baby Alive dolls and toys. This room is where we store all of those things until I can find a better spot for them. But I'm just vacuuming the floor. Okay, now I'm wiping my nightstand with the Method wood cleaner that I got at Target. I love it because it smells like almond. I actually didn't realize almond had a scent, but in this cleaner it is so good. So this is the finished cleaned room. Right now I'm in the bathroom and I'm just getting all the dirty clothes and dirty towels. We need fresh, clean towels in here. I'm cleaning off all the surfaces now in the bathroom, starting with the tub. And I love to use scrubbing bubbles for the tub. I'm spraying scrubbing bubbles on the tile and the tub, and now just scrubbing it with a sponge. And after I scrub it with a sponge, I will rinse the cleaner and the dirt and stuff with water. I'll take whatever cup I have in my room and just start rinsing the tub and then dry it. So here's where I'm rinsing it. I just have a cup that I had earlier in the bedroom or bathroom. And now I'm just rinsing everything. If you hear, I hope you don't hear it, but mild snoring. Our little Boston Terrier our Boston Terrier follows me in every room. And we're trying to get him out because he's so loud, but he wants to be in here with me. So that's, hopefully you can't hear it. Okay, now I'm putting a fresh towel. And I've got fresh washcloths and hand towels. I personally change out our towels once a week. Our washcloths we change out every single day, and hand towels every other day. But the actual towels, maybe a couple times a week, sometimes just once a week. They don't get that dirty when we're drying ourselves because we're clean when we dry our bodies. Okay, here is the sheets that were on my bed that I just took off. They are already washed and cleaned, and I'm folding them for next week. I wish it really took that quick to fold and wash laundry, but yay for speeding up the video, right? Okay, so this is our loft. This area right here is where one of my kids do their distance learning, their school. And so I'm just going through and putting all the school things away because it's the weekend, and I just like them to not worry about school on the weekend as long as their homework is done. So we put all that stuff away. I'm using Clorox bleach spray to wipe down the table. A couple of my kids have colds, so we're just trying to keep everything sanitary. And I'm going around picking up all the garbage. I'm also folding all the blankets. There were 3 blankets they had in the room. And now I am organizing our bookshelf. Each shelf, I've got other places we have books. I'm just not showing it here, but we organize the books according to the level, the AR level they are. Now I'm just wiping the dust off of these bookshelves and this desk. Another one of my children used this desk for school. And if you see my daughter on the side here, she found a trick on how to get stains off carpet. So I'll explain that a little bit later. I'm vacuuming right here. I didn't have enough battery for my cordless vacuum, but I really just use the cordless vacuum for small jobs, and this big loft isn't a small job. The room's actually quite big. I love to use the cordless for rugs and the stairs and little small jobs in the kitchen. And I love that my kids can help vacuum. It's very easy for them to pick up the cordless and use it. Okay, now we are in my son's room and I'm giving him new sheets, and we'll wash the old ones. These are his favorite sheets. They're Spider-Man sheets, and it's almost a little small. Whenever I make the bed, it's a little challenge to do it because the sheet pops off because it's a little small, but we make it work. Grammy got us these and we absolutely love them. I need to get him a bed skirt so he can cover the box springs. Okay, now I'm just putting fresh pillowcases on his bed, and that part's done. Now I'm just cleaning up his school area. He does school right here, and putting all of his school stuff away and also cleaning the surfaces off. He's got toys on the floor and this blanket. Now I'm also spraying the Clorox bleach cleaner on his desk. He's another one that has a cold. So I just want to clean and sanitize everything. And then I'll fold this table and just slide it behind the TV here. And so I'm wiping the chair right now, and what you'll see me do next is just wipe down all of his surfaces. And again, I love to use the Method wood cleaner. It smells so good, and I feel like it's a reasonable price. Here it is. He's got toys in this thing and this thing right here. I don't know what to call it, drawers. And then this is where we set his TV, and it gets kind of dusty, but I wipe it down every week, usually just once a week. That's all it usually needs. And this is his nightstand. I think we got this at Home Goods. And the other, the blue dresser, we also got at Home Goods, and the bins where his toys were, we got that a long time ago at Pier 1. In fact, we've had it for about 15 years. Okay, now I'm just vacuuming his room, and then I'll put his toys back where he had them, and voila, we're done. I wish cleaning was as fast as what you see in this video, but obviously I have everything sped up. Okay, trying to show you the room from this angle. Beautiful. It feels good in here. It smells good and fresh and clean. And now you can see the room from the opposite side. So it just feels really good in here. And now in this part of the video, I'm just going to show you what I do with the grapes when we get them. I rinse them in water with a little bit of vinegar and rinse them out. And I do this a couple of times, and then I pull the grapes off of the vine. And just taking the vine off, it makes it so my kids will eat the grapes more often, and they eat a lot more of them because they're convenient. But as you watch me do this, we also have green grapes I'll do the same thing with. I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I love doing YouTube so much, and I'm just excited about this new channel. In my next video, it'll be in a couple of days, I will be cleaning out our laundry room and also cleaning a bathroom, and possibly showing you how to do a cute hairstyle with my daughter that's standing behind me right here. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see me make homemade white bread or homemade French bread, or there's some cute hairstyles for little girls I've been doing with my daughter that's standing behind me, and it's the cute little hairstyles that you use lots of different rubber bands. But if you would like to see some of those, let me know, and I'll do those in one of my next videos. I'm going to quit talking for the rest of the video. There's just a couple of minutes left. Just go ahead and relax, watch me take the grapes off the vine and listen to the music. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos. Thank you.
One thing I know is that there is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,